In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find XAUUSD on Tradingview. If you are looking to chart gold against the US dollar, the symbol you need is XAUUSD. This is the standard market ticker for gold spot priced in US dollars. And finding it in Tradingview takes just a few quick actions. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each choice means, and give you simple tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening the symbol search. The fastest way is to click the current symbol name at the top left of your chart. That's the ticker you see above your price candles. If you prefer a shortcut, you can also press any key on your keyboard while the chart is active. If nothing pops up, just click once anywhere on the chart to make sure it's selected. Then try again. This brings up Tradingview's search window. In the search bar, type XAUUSD. Capitalization isn't critical, but make sure there are no spaces. As you type, Tradingview will display a list of matching instruments. You'll likely see several results that all look similar, which is normal because Tradingview aggregates data from multiple providers. Next, choose the data source that fits your needs. XAUUSD is a common pick for high liquidity spot pricing and is widely used by retail traders. Forex.com is another popular option for XAUUSD with robust coverage. XAUUSD is frequently chosen by users who prefer institutional-grade data. And TVC, which stands for Tradingview Charts, provides a composite index built from multiple sources. Useful if you want a broad averaged view. Prices across providers may vary slightly due to spreads and liquidity. So select the one that aligns with your broker or the style of data you prefer. If the results look cluttered, refine them using the tabs at the top of the search window. Click into the Forex or CFD tab to filter out unrelated stocks, futures, or community scripts. This makes it easier to spot the exact XAUUSD listing you want, and helps you avoid accidentally opening the wrong instrument. Once you click your chosen XAUUSD listing, your chart will load gold spot versus the US dollar. Your time frame and indicators will stay as they are, so you can begin your analysis immediately. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.